So you want to make video for your business, but maybe you're not sure how best to go about this or how best to use video for your business. Maybe you don't know what to talk about or what to say, or you think you're shy, or perhaps that you can't afford to make video, or that you don't have time. Maybe you think you don't have the skills, the technical skills, or the equipment that goes with it. Maybe you think you need so much equipment that it's prohibitive. Perhaps you don't know how to be consistent with video. Maybe you've used video before, but you didn't get the engagement that you wanted with it. Perhaps you want to reach more people with your video, or you're worried that you don't have a video marketing strategy, or even a marketing strategy at all. Perhaps you're worried what other people might think when they see you making videos, or simply you just don't know where to start. The Video Confident Collective helps you with all of those things and so much more. It helps you with the who, why, where, when, what of video. Who are you speaking to? Why are you speaking to them? How do you need to be speaking to them? Where should you be putting those videos? When should you be making those videos? What should you be making them about? All of that and everything you can possibly need to get video working for your business. What Video Confident Collective is not is something you can dip into whenever you want, different hours of the day, different times of the week, chopping and changing between which subjects you're talking about, what subjects you're learning about. If you want that, go have a look at Hub Central, because that has everything that you need. Video Confident Collective is a way of putting together a consistent, creative strategy of how to use video for your business, how to integrate it with your current marketing, how to enhance your current marketing, meet a bigger audience than you could possibly imagine, and engage with them more. It's basically how to make video your most powerful marketing tool.